The lack of awareness on proper menstrual hygiene has been identified as a major cause of reduced school attendance amongst females. The Ghana Education Service has launched the Be Amazing campaign aimed at educating girls, boys and other stakeholders about menstrual hygiene as a means of keeping girls in school for long. In spite of menstruation being a natural process, it is associated with misconceptions, malpractices and challenges amongst girls, mostly in developing countries. Studies reveal lack of knowledge of proper menstrual management has an influence on school attendance. Research undertaken by the Ghana Education Service and UNICEF revealed 50% of adolescent girls in Ghana were unaware of menstruation prior to having their first period, with 95% of girls sometimes missing school due to menstruation. Menstrual Hygiene Management Day is commemorated worldwide to create awareness about the importance of education on menstrual hygiene. Acting Deputy Director General of the Ghana Education Service, Cynthia Bosomtwe Sam, stressed the need for menstruation education to be prioritized in schools.
Sometimes the girls have cramps, they need to be supported with medication or taught how to handle themselves during that period, and they need a lot of support. It also goes with sexuality education. The girl has to be taught the changes taking place in her body, and when she's aware of that, then she can better be assertive and know what she can do and what she cannot do.
Among other challenges faced by adolescent girls in their menstruation period are teasing and humiliation by classmates when their clothes are stained with blood. This presents the need to also educate the boy child on the process of menstruation and menstrual hygiene management.
If boys in schools understand that it's very okay for a girl to menstruate, so when she goes through that process, or when my sister or my classmate who is a female goes through that process, I need to support the person. I need to understand what she's going through. I need to be there for her. It makes it a lot more easier.
Brand Ambassador for Menstrual Health Management, Wendy Laye, expressed disappointment at the lack of tax exemption on sanitary pads, saying the high cost of the products prevents some girls from practicing quality menstrual health.
Stakeholders, including governments, should make this a project to ensure that all girls are not denied access to sanitary pads, because they need it and it should actually be free. Then taxes on it should be removed to ensure that everybody, every girl, every school-going girl has access to a sanitary pad.
Interventions adopted by the Ghana Health Service in collaboration with UNICEF, WASH and MHM include the creation of flip charts, trifold flyers and video websites to educate the youth.